My name is Lucy Eckersley and I work at the Royal Society of Biology. My job role is that I'm the Senior Events Officer. I work to deliver the Royal Society of Biology's events, so that could be our Parliamentary events, our Biology Week talks and our AGM, as well as a number of client conferences. Basically, we, as a charity aiming to be a unifying voice for biology, put on events. Some of these events are asking people in government about how the UK works on and researches science. Some are celebrating our members' achievements and awards, and some are getting special interest groups together so they can discuss their expertise. We also help other organisations put on their big conferences, which can be several days long and are a place for experts from around the world to discuss new research. What does a day at work look like for me? Well, I'm very lucky in the fact that I can do a lot of my job from home. And that's actually because I have chronic migraines, and so having a comfortable work environment is really important to me. Generally, my day consists of lots of planning. So imagine anything that you have done that needed planning. So that might be a holiday, a wedding, or maybe a big birthday. I basically do that, but a bit more formal. I review our upcoming events and talk to the people involved. I organise venues and catering and AV and risk assessments and briefing documents and registrations and fees, dietary and access requirements, and all of the things that come up when you're planning an event. Then on the days where I'm hosting the event, I'm often running back and forth behind the scenes, trying to make sure that everything runs as smoothly as possible. Well, there's always something unexpected in event planning. That's the fun of it. Throughout my career, I have run events where we were dissecting a white tiger, where we were in the House of Commons getting junior scientists to quiz MPs about science policies, and I even presented at Latitude Festival teaching kids how to identify bones. What qualifications did I need to study to get into my current role? I did an undergraduate degree in biology at the University of Sheffield, and then I specialised a bit by doing a master's degree at the Royal Veterinary College and London Zoo, with my special interest being Scottish wildcats. These gave me a basis of understanding of biology. Then I've also done a lot of paid and voluntary work in science communication. So I've worked on radios, on TV, with schools and festivals, and all of these things gave me the skills to organise and plan and the confidence to take charge. What was my career path into this role? I actually started at McDonald's, age 16 in Rochdale, where I'm from. I then worked at River Island and a tattoo studio before moving to Japan and volunteering in a hospital. But then I came back to the UK and I did my undergraduate degree and started working as a student ambassador and volunteering quite a lot at different science communication organisations. I carried that on through my master's degree, and then I started working at the Royal Veterinary College in London as the outreach officer, then outreach manager, and then I started at the Royal Society of Biology. What reassurance would I give my 10 to 15-year-old self? Well, at that age I was very shy with anybody that I didn't know, and I didn't have the confidence that I could be in charge of anything. I would say, it's okay, it gets better with age, and take the risks because they pay off. At 18, I moved to Japan to volunteer at a hospital, and it forced me to have confidence and be more outspoken, and those things have only grown as I've learned and experienced more.